What's going on, guys? I'm Motonosity and welcome to the Build Series 3, episode number 15, what I hope is, and what should be, the final building episode of the series. If you're new here, this is season 3 of the Build Series, and we are working on a 2015 Yamaha R3, taking it from a completely stock bike and turning it into something super awesome. And this bike is a Streetfighter. We are going to be installing the kit from Black Lab Motorcycles today. If you want to check out all of the different Streetfighter kits that they make, you can see that down in the description. They make super awesome custom Streetfighter kits and then allow you guys to buy them. So we've got one for the R3. We're gonna be putting that on. In yesterday's video, the normal Sunday episode day, I painted some of the pieces from that kit along with the pieces from the tank cover. So we got something that's a little bit more unique. I'm super excited to get that on. Last night, you guys can't see it, but I put some of the pieces back together that I had to take apart to get painted, and they look so good. So good. So let's go back in time and I'll show you guys what I did last night in regards to the bike. I'm just gonna cut to when this is done. All right, took me a half an hour to get this off, but it's finally off. A little bit of residue left. I did my best to clean it off. I have some, or I know of some stuff that should get this off, but I don't have any anymore. I ran out. I'll have to buy some more. So these are those pieces that I painted, put back together. The sides of the tank cover, got those put back on. This is a rear tailpiece, I got that put back together. And then these are the side assemblies that have the headlights. So those are the pieces that I painted, all put back together. Shoot, freaking, they look so good. I put them together and I was like, this cannot be real. This is amazing. They look so freaking good. So good. The reason that we wanted to do white is it adds a little bit of contrast to the bike, especially with the bronze that we have on here. I really think that that's gonna make it pop even more. Here is the bike. I realize I didn't even show it yet to you guys. We're gonna be putting those pieces on today, along with some of the other things that we have to finish up. Let me show you my list. You guys know I like lists. So here's everything that we have left. I'm actually gonna move the seat cover down to when we actually put on the seat. Of course, I already did the paint. We're gonna start off putting on the kit. We also have to do the grips, and then a couple things that I forgot. We've got the gauges and the regulator rectifier assembly right here. So got that. I'm sure there's gonna be something that I realize. Oh, the taillight. So TST Industries sent out their smoked and integrated taillight. I gotta get that swapped in. Where even is the taillight? Nope. Okay, so before that, we have to find the taillight. Then we got to get that smoked one swapped in, and that will be part of the kit assembly. So yeah, kit is going to be the majority of at least my working time. I don't know how much video time it'll take up, but let's get started. All right, guys, well, it's going slowly, but it's going well. I haven't had any issues so far. So I got the front scoop on and attached these side pieces right here. But what I've been doing for the past little while now is taking care of the side pieces with the headlights. And right now is just figuring out how this thing wires up. So it has, and I took off the like tubing here on the sides that come off the projector headlights, and you got the wires here. Now what I did is I cut off the plugs from the stock headlights, so the stock front fairing, and I wired them up here to both sides, plugged them in, and when I start it, everything works. So what I'm going to do now is actually get them soldered up to the headlights so I can use those factory plugs. That'll make it nice and clean. And yeah, then we'll get these. I think after that we can actually attach these pieces to the frame. Yo, I've got both sides on and attached to the lower piece. It looks amazing. It looks so good. I'm gonna get the tank on, or the tank cover, and then I'll probably start it up just to make sure the lights still work. A couple of these stock pieces right here, we're gonna be using these. Take care of those things and keep on moving on. Had some issues. I couldn't quite figure out how to do the regular rectifier assembly. So when you cut off the tail, you no longer have the mounting point for that piece. So you got to relocate it. And the place that he relocates it is to the left side passenger peg, which is what I did right here. It just took me a while to figure out exactly how it mounts. I'm a little bit sad because I really like those race hooks. But we still got it on the right side. Very nice. I might try to figure out if there's another way that I can mount that, but for now, I'm gonna leave it there. Now, the thing that we got next is the tail light. So a few episodes back, I cut the mudguard and the tail light pieces so that we can fit it with the Streetfighter kit. So this is a little bit customized, but it's still a stock tail light. What we're gonna do, however, is swap the stock tail light, the actual tail light, not the whole assembly, with the TST Industries smoked taillight. They sent it out to me. Huge shout out to those guys. If you wanted to check them out, check out that piece. I'll link that down in the description along with everything else on the bike today. So here is the TST Industries smoked and integrated. So it's got turn signals taillight. So I'm gonna take that piece apart, this piece, we're gonna take this apart, swap this taillight in, and then get this mounted up. All right, so I got the gauge cluster all taken care of. It mounts right up to the holes of the stock clip-ons. We're gonna move on to that tail light, get back to that, get it mounted up, and geez, guys, aside from that, we have the tail light, we have the assembly around the taillight, so there's this, and then we have this piece right here, and then doing the seat cover, and then the front piece. I haven't showed that to you guys yet. Dude, freaking looks like a bug here. Yeah, so there's a plate, or a plate assembly that goes on the front that covers up all the wires and stuff like that. So we're gonna be doing that. Then I think that's it for the bike. All right, I just want to turn on the signals to make sure I have this hooked up correctly. Oh, so you can see the gauge. Boom! Boom! Working! Freaking yes, bro! And the taillight. Woo! Dang, that thing is bright. That looks so freaking good. Okay, turn signal. Make sure these are working correctly. Right signal, good. Left signal, good. Dude, that looks so good. All right, so now we're gonna put on the extra pieces that go around the tail light on top of here. All right, guys, I am going to call it there. As much as I wanted to finish this, I just couldn't today. I'm almost done. There's just a few things left. So I just put on the tail pieces right here, but we're gonna be replacing the cover on the seat. So that's gonna have to come back off anyways. And I'm gonna do that in the next video. So here's what we're working with right now, guys. This is practically done. Freaking, whoo, whoo, look at that. That looks so freaking good. I love how this looks. Let me know down in the comments if you like this. Hit that like button if you do like it, or if you enjoyed the video, if it helped you out. Huge thanks. Black Lab Motorcycles hooking it up with this kit. If you guys have a motorcycle, head over to his website to check it out and see if he's got a kit for your bike. It's really awesome. I did not expect the level of like intricacy in a kit. It seriously feels completely custom. It's really cool. So yeah, I love it. I love that bronze freaking Enigma coating's doing work. That's gonna be it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you guys know when I have videos go live. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for checking out the video. If you want any of my merch, including Life's Better with Horsepower t-shirts, all of that is on my website, motonosity.com/shop. You guys have an awesome day. Remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life lived. And I'll see you guys in the next video.